Put up your hand and if you like Portland, jump around to the new champion. Put up your hand and if you like Portland, Portland people me know them and not Portland. Say that's how where we born, that's how where we come from. I tell you everything now about Portland. I tell you about Portland from first to began. Oh Portland City 8 and oh Portland 10. You find both beer me say in a Portland. You find Port and Tony me say in a Portland. We got 3 bakery. We don't have 1 CC 3-star and coronation. Public service parish council and water commission. In a Port and Tony you find Navy Island. You jump on a boat and go across the ocean. Upper Harbour Street you find the police station with the most detective and the most sergeant. Take a look down a reef beach from the white sand. Down there so pretty and grand Cayman. But hear me I go touchdown from madman. In a Port and Tony you got enough man. You ever see them on your out of garbage pan, out of garbage pan with the madman. Some walk, some run, some sit, some stand. Talk about my papa, the one with your mention. But you hear me talk, nobody take me for one. Me I go tell you about a district now in a Portland. You got Fury Hill and you got Boston. You got Drapers and you got Sansan, Snow Hills and Margaret's Bay and Moupless and Wombe, Shoeberry. And best and not talk about the place when they call Bourbon. And many more districts. Me no mention. If you don't love Portland, help me sing this song. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with your mighty hand.